Good morning, subscribers and new people. My name is Edith. I talk about my journey with type 2 diabetes. And also I work on craft projects and make tutorials. If you know of anyone that has type 2, could you please tell them about my channel? And if they would watch some of my videos, it would be really helpful to them and in treating their type 2. Today I wanted to just talk a little bit about false lows or false hypos, low blood sugars, and how to treat them. First, we need to identify what's a normal blood sugar for everyone, not just non-diabetics, but everyone. A normal blood sugar is 65 or 70 mgs, or 3.6 to 4.0. To determine if you are having a low blood sugar, you never assume it is low based on symptoms, such as feeling foggy, confused, shaky, sweaty, or weak. You must always check your blood sugar first to determine if it's an actual low or a false low. A false low blood sugar reading is when your blood sugar is in the range of 65 to 70 mgs, or 3.6 to 4.0. And a range you are feeling as if your blood sugar is much lower than that. This is a body reaction to having blood sugars that are in a non-diabetic range when it has become accustomed to much higher and dangerous blood sugar levels. If you maintain your blood sugars in a non-diabetic range, the majority of the time, these symptoms will go away. Now, how to treat a false hypo. Never treat a false hypo with carbohydrates, as they will cause your blood sugar to rise dramatically and possibly to over levels that should send you to the hospital or DKA. If you have a normal blood sugar and are feeling symptoms of being low, number one, eat a protein such as 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 boiled egg, 1 hamburger patty. Number two, eat a healthy fat such as 1 to 3 ounces of cream cheese, or black cheese, a cup of bulletproof coffee or tea or broth, or simply eat a tablespoonful of coconut oil. If symptoms persist more than 15 to 30 minutes, then repeat the above, being sure not to eat a carbohydrate. Good info for you today, and it's a beautiful day, a beautiful weekend in Wisconsin. Fall has started, and tomorrow we start a new month of October. Have a blessed weekend. Bye now.